Alright, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can fix no sound from speaker on iPad. It's very easy. If your iPad is not playing any sound from speakers, don't worry, here are some quick and easy fixes you can try right now. First up, check volume. Press volume up button and then make sure your iPad isn't muted. Just check the mute and do that. And check if your iPad has silent mode. So you can if your iPad has a side switch, you can just make sure that it's not on silent. Like this, as you can see, it's on silent right now, and just switch it so it can be on ring. And then disconnect Bluetooth. So most of the people have connected to their headphones or speakers automatically. Just go to settings, or right over here you can just see Bluetooth. Just simply go ahead and check right over here. If it's connected, just simply disconnect it, and then you can restart your iPad. How you can do that is just press and hold the volume button and then slide off to turn it off and turn it back on after a few seconds. And then you can clean your speakers. Just check the speaker holes and gently clean them with a soft brush. Don't dust can block the sound sometimes. And then check sound settings. Just simply go to settings and then sounds. Just simply search up sounds right over here and then go to sounds, and right over here make sure everything is turned up and it's configured properly. And then once you gotta check for your headphone mode. So if your iPad thinks headphones are connected, sound won't come from speakers. Plug in and plug out your headphones and a few times it should fix it. And then you can just update your iPadOS. Just go to your settings and go to general, and then just go to software update and just make sure if it got any update, just simply install that. And then test with different apps. Try playing sound from YouTube, music, or games to see if the issue is app specific. So if none of these worked, it might be a hardware issue, so consider visiting a repair store. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.